Okay, so this is the next Higgs video. This is HERA 6. There's 6 videos altogether about the HERA and the data that came up with that keyword. So just so you know, you want to start with HERA 1. And it has different formula ideas in it as well. So the HERA 6 Sokolov Ternov effect electron spin high energy beam. So the keyword HERA from this data is in the previous videos. The keywords came from the measurement of isolated photons accompanied by jets and deep inelastic EP scattering from the ZEUS Collaboration. It was a PDF file. So on the HERA video, we learned that superconducting magnets are used to keep protons on track in PETRA DESY III TESLA. And the other keywords that came up was the Lepton BEAM with HERA. So quotes from WIKI, transversely polarized through the Sokolov Ternov effect. The Sokolov Ternov effect is the effect of self-polarization of relativistic electrons or positrons moving at high energy in a magnetic field. The self-polarization occurs through the emission of spin-flipped synchrotron radiation. The effect was predicted by Ternov, which then were rigorously justified by Arsenij Sokolov using exact solutions to the Dirac equation. An electron in a magnetic field can have its spin oriented in the same spin up or in the opposite spin down direction with respect to the direction of the magnetic field, which is assumed to be oriented up. The spin down state has a higher energy than spin up state. The polarization arises due to the fact that the rate of transition through emission of synchrotron radiation to the spin down state is slightly greater than the probability of transition to the spin up state. As a result, an initially unpolarized beam of high energy electrons circulating in storage ring after a sufficiently long time will have spins oriented in the direction opposite to the magnetic field. So this is something you're going to want to look at when you're dealing with the Higgs field as well. Anything with an electromagnetic field could possibly mimic one another. So this is some formulas that came up with this data from WIKI. I'm not going to go through it. If you want to look at it, the different words, what I do is I look at the data and I pull out keywords from the data. It talks about the mass and charge of electron is the speed of light, and again, we're looking at the speed of light with the neutrinos as well. And then we have G is the Schrödinger field, H is the magnetic field, and E is the electron energy. Limiting degree of polarization is A. Okay, so I'm just going to scoot down here to my thoughts. September 24th, today's October 4th, 2012. My thoughts, looking at the data, the formula from keywords is, so we take the Sokolov Ternov effect, add relativistic plus electrons plus moving plus high energy plus magnetic field plus spin plus flip plus synchrotron radiation plus spin up split plus spin down plus magnetic field plus spin down equals higher energy. So supposedly, if we put all these keywords together, we're going to get higher energy, okay? So unpolarized plus beam plus high energy plus electrons plus circulating plus storage ring plus long time plus spins plus opposite plus direction plus magnetic field plus relaxation time plus mass plus charge plus electron plus speed of light. So it's almost like you're creating a pulse here with an unpolarized beam. See that? You're starting with a high energy of electrons. You circulate it in a storage ring. Let it sit there for a long time until it creates spins in the opposite directions. Then it'll create the magnetic field. So then you relax it, add some mass, put a charge, add some electrons, and then speed it up to the speed of light. That's what I see anyways. Plus the Schrödinger field plus magnetic field plus electron energy plus polarization plus spin is to orbital energy exchange. So you'll be exchanging some of your energy. And it creates a transition. It spins up to a highly polarized beam. So you're going from an unpolarized beam to a polarized beam in the storage rings. And adds an effect plus positrons plus spins plus parallel equals your magnetic field. So maybe this will help you create a Higgs magnetic field. I don't know. It will create some sort of magnetic field by judging by the keywords. So my thoughts continue. The keywords point to acceleration of particles using a magnetic field, speed of light, spinning in a high energy beam. That's the end of the HERA keyword data research. Now we'll go on to the next set of videos. Okay, and it'll be some more Higgs videos for you to look at. Thanks for watching.